And hello guys, welcome to Forex Success. You can see stop take profit triggered and still running in profit. So if you want to learn how you can trade Forex technical analysis, that is with price action, so stick with me because I'm gonna walk you through that, a way you can become a better trader for sure. So guys, this is GBP USD that I traded, and then you can see take profit triggered and it's still selling, but I'm not the greedy type, so I don't go for that. I go only for analysis that I am sure of. Only proper analysis. So guys, this is what I did, how I took this trade. First thing I did, I went to my daily time frame and to see the overall movement of the market. This is the daily time frame. Let me show you what I meant by the overall movement of the market. Guys, watch carefully. You will see at this point, you can see it's on a downtrend. GBP USD has been on a downtrend for long now, and this is what I took into consideration before finally placing this trade. Look at this, and you can do same. I looked at previous movement of the market, and I can see many points whereby the market went for a retest and continue the downtrend which it was on before. So guys, look at this. Take a look at this particular candle. This thing happened right here, and again it happened here. So me seeing this thing happened before, which is this bullish candle, and then another red bearish candle with a wick, it's a sign it's so then the market sold. So putting that into consideration, my prediction was that the same thing which happened right here is going to happen again, because I entered this market right here. So me seeing the same, another bullish candle again, which is very similar to this one. Guys, please watch this carefully. Let me use the drawing tool so guys, please, this is what I'm talking about, this candle. So me seeing this thing that happened right here is happening again right here, because I entered the market at this point, seeing the red candle having a wick similar. So my prediction was that it's gonna sell, and then probably my stop loss will be above the wick of this candle. But that's not enough to place a trade. So now this pushed me to the price action side of the trade. Okay, I moved to the 4-minute time frame. Sorry, the 4-hour time frame. Guys, I moved to the 4-hour time frame, and then here I am on 4-hour time frame to get a proper analysis for the trade. And again, right here, first thing I need to do, I need to get my trend line. Setting the trends. I can see on the downtrend. Good. I need to spot out the support level. Nice. So support level set. Guys, this is seeing this support level right now and this trend line. It is already giving me the second condition that this GBP USD is going to sell right here. And remember, my entry is at this point. Let me mark out my entry so that I won't get confused. So this is my entry. Note that. So good. Guys, seeing this trend line and this support level, it gives me another condition that is a sell. This is what we call a descending triangle. Look at it. It's a descending triangle. I know you must be wondering what a descending triangle is. A descending triangle is a continuation of a downtrend. It's found in a continuation of a downtrend. Because we can see this is a downtrend. So it's usually found at the continuation of a downtrend. It consists of a horizontal bottom and a down slopey top. This is it. Down slopey top and a horizontal bottom. You get that, guys? So a descending triangle, it's usually found at a continuation of a trend. It indicates that it's going to continue this downtrend. Why? Because we found it at the continuation of this trend. So it indicates that it's going to continue this downtrend. So a descending triangle indicates a continuation of a downtrend or a reversal from an uptrend. That is simply what a descending triangle is. It indicates a continuation of a downtrend. As simple as that. That is a descending triangle. So seeing this has given me another reason to sell GBP USD, but still at this point, that's also not convincing enough. What next I did, I took a channel, the parallel channel, and then spotted this channel starting from this point, and then another right here. Great. Look at good. So guys, this is a channel. Considering the movement of the market, the previous movement of the market came from here, trying to break through the top side of the channel, but it wasn't able. Came down, unable to break through the top side, the bottom of the channel again. Tried again right here. So we have been having some up and down move all within this channel. That is another signal I'm trying to get, guys. So if when you do these things, you'll be able to spot where the price is actually heading to. With fundamental analysis as well. So getting news from the fundamental analysis, that will also boost your movement. Okay, this is technical analysis, remember, and trading forex, you need a combination of the fundamental analysis, the technical analysis, and the sentimental analysis. Okay, so now the market moved to the downside, upside again. So now, considering the fact that this is close to the upside, based on my prediction from the daily and the 4-hour time frame, this descending triangle, my analysis shows that GBP USD is gonna sell. So what I did was that, seeing the chart is almost above at the top side of the channel, I placed a sell right here, putting my stop loss above the channel. So seeing that if it breaks through the channel, then it's gonna hit the stop loss. And also I saw some reversing candlestick pattern. You can see them right here, reversal candlestick pattern. So I placed a sell, and then look, the market moves down, putting my take profit at the bottom of the channel, so that in case it's wanna go back, continue the up and down movement, because no one know how the market is gonna be. Seeing that it's gonna, in case it wanna continue the up and down movement within the channel, I would have taken a 150 pips profit right here on it. So what I did was that I hold on to the trade, and then you can see the movement. This movement, guys, this movement was a very long bullish, long bearish movement. That is GBP has a very bearish movement. So taking profit right here was based on my analysis. I took profit right here. This is where fundamental analysis came in. This movement at GBP USD is so massive to the downside, and these are usually if affected by the news. And if you check on the news, based on what the news we got before, so let me show you how the news can affect your trading. Let me show you how the news can affect the movement of the market. So take you to my FX books, where we check everything that's happening on the fundamental analysis. Okay, look at this. For GBP, remember we traded GBP USD. So every news that concerns our movement should be about GBP and US dollar. Okay, look at it, guys. Look at this. You can see right here, this is GBP, the news for GBP, which is pounds. Okay, you can see the consumer confidence. This consumer confidence, the consensus, which is the forecast, is minus 33, which is negative 33. And then the actual one, what came was is minus 38, which is lower than the expected. Lower than the expected is going to cause a fall for pounds. It's going to cause a bearish movement for pounds. So, and then also retail says the actual is minus 1.4%, and the forecast is minus 0.3. So having a lesser figure cause a bearish movement to the GBP, can cause a fall to pounds. Yeah, so you can see the previous one was minus 0.5, and now the actual one is minus 1.5, so it's lesser. So it made pounds to move to the downside. And look at something you should note. This news came up at 7 o'clock. You see, 7 o'clock news. Let's go back to our charts. So I'll show you this. So 7 o'clock news happened. This is 7 o'clock. You can see we're using the 4-hour time frame. Let me move it to 1 hour for better understanding. 1 hour time frame. Great. So nice one right here. This is 5 o'clock and then 7 o'clock. You can see the movement as the news came up. It affected this the price of GBP USD to sell rapidly. You can see, so this massive sell was also affected by the result of that news. It made the sell to move really fast, really soon. Okay, so that's it, guys. So when you combine all this analysis, the technical analysis, the fundamental analysis, and also the sentimental analysis can also be helpful to place trade, guys. You hardly lose. You can see this is from the, you see the channel we used for this analysis. From that channel, guys, from this channel, you can see the market was already having up and down moves. So if it had to break it to the upside, I'll have a lesser one to lose. But if the channel continues exactly how it did, I have a profit to take. That was exactly what happened. So having those three proper proof to place this trade, which is I got one from the daily time frame, the 4-hour time frame, and most importantly our descending triangle, guys. This descending triangle, it's nice. So getting those three setups properly intact, guys, I had to place this here. And also there is still probability that it will go against you. That is trading. So how did I get my entry? I took this entry right here when I saw this. You see this candle, this long with a long wick, rejected back. So after seeing this, guys, I took an entry right here. At the end of this candle, I took an entry, and then from there it started selling. As simple as that. And it's still selling. Great. And I know GBP USD is going to continue selling. Why? Because I got a view from the weekly time frame. I will show you why it's going to sell. Also, GBP USD on the weekly time frame. But me entering right now, it's going to be risky. Or me holding on my trade, because I really don't like holding trade over the week. Yeah. So me holding on to my trade for the week till it gets there, it's gonna be risky. So the only thing I'll do is that I'll wait for it to get a retest to the upside. But if it doesn't, no problem. So this is it. This is my support level on the weekly time frame, and you can see similar movements like this, whereby the market returned back after a long bullish movement back to the downside. This is an uptrend, so it reversed down. Similar movement happened right here. Look at it. From here the market moved and then came down. You see that movement, guys? And also this is the similar thing we're getting here. You can see. So I'm expecting GBP USD to hit this this support level right here. So that is the proper analysis. So when you see things from the overview, which is from the weekly, the daily. So after having seen this, guys, I was expecting it to sell, because I also checked the weekly time frame and then checked the daily time frame. So that gave me a lot of confidence to place my trade, getting a proper signal from the daily, the weekly, and the daily, the 4-hour and the 1-hour time frame gave me a nice reason to place that sell, and so it's still giving me profit. Considering the fact that today is Friday, I'm not going to be holding on to this trade. I'm going to close it on after it triggered the take. I closed it after it triggered the take profit, because I don't hold trades over the week, of course, because there are some jumps that happens during weekend. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video, guys. I believe a lot of you will understand how to use price actions right now. You spot out your support or resistance level, you set up the trend lines, and then you can, if the market is appropriate for a channel, you give it a channel. But if not, good, set up those and look at the overview movement, the overview movement of the market from the daily time frame. Then go down to the 4 hours and the 1 hour time frame and plot out your analysis, predict where the market will go, spot out, set up a small stop loss level in case it goes against you, and go for a bigger profit. That is how simply way you can trade Forex with technical analysis. And most importantly, always check your news. You can get your news on FX, my FX books, or on forexfactory.com. Yeah, you can get those things, guys. So this is how you can trade and make profit for yourself. So thanks for watching. We remain Forex Success. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time we drop a new video, of course. So we got some recommended broker right there for you. The link is they are all at the description below, so check out the description below to sign up to them and start trading. And also we also trade synthetic indices, which is crash and booms, volatilities. Those are what we're mainly do, guys. But I also trade currency pair. But synthetic indices, we have amazing strategies for synthetic indices. You can start trading them. It's 24 hours. That's something about synthetic indices. It's 24 hours for sure. You can start trading them and make amazing profits for yourself. Let me show you how synthetic indices is. This is it. This is volatility 25 index. This is crash 500. You can see. Let me take you down to the 1 minute time frame, so you see how crash is. For those of you that don't know about it, if you want to create an account, the only broker you get it is on Deriv. Yeah, so it's only Deriv that offers synthetic indices, which are crash and boom. And the good thing about it is that it is 24 hours a day. Yeah, 24/7. That is, the market doesn't close. You get that, guys? The market doesn't close, and so therefore you can trade it every day, both Saturdays and Sundays, unlike the Forex that the market do close. You can see how this thing move, this crash. It moves to the up, and then it gets spike. Once it's time for it to spike, it goes to the up, spike. You can see. So you can decide to start catching these spikes. It's very nice to trade it, guys. And it's very volatile. It can move to the top again. It will just be going to the top. It's not like Forex that do up and down movement. No. This one, it just go to the top like this, and then you get a spike. Then you start going to the up again. You can get a spike again. Sometimes you can just continue going to the top. Then you get a spike again. That's how it is. You can see the 1 minute time frame. Let me show you the way it move on. Okay, 15-minute time frame. At the 15-minute time frame, you see it will be bigger this time, but so you'll notice a lot of the spikes here and there. It's also noticeable though, but so at least it look different right now on 15-minute time frame. So this is not all you got right here. We also have the volatilities, step index. I love trading step index a lot. But guys, the good thing about this is that we have amazing strategies for you to trade all of them. They are all at the, you can check out our channel for amazing strategies to trade them. This is step index, guys. They are very volatile. This is okay. Let me put it on the daily time frame so you see the overall movement of it. This is step index. You can see these guys, very volatile, and the most volatile one is the volatility 75 index. This is it. You must have heard of this 75, guys. So I'm talking about for people that haven't heard of it. So this is V75. It's very volatile. These are previous analysis from my side, guys. This is what we do. This is what we trade. So that's it, guys. I don't want this video. It's already too long though. Thanks for watching. We remain Forex Success. Subscribe to our channel. Check out our amazing strategies on this channel. The link is at the description below for some strategies that are outlined out there. But those that haven't, you just click on the channel logo and it takes you to all our videos. Yeah, so make sure you create an account on Deriv. The link is at the description below, and create an account with our amazing brokers. The link is at the description below. They are recommended broker for you. Octa FS is there. We have the FBS. The link is at the description below. Thanks for watching Forex Success.